Hello there. Welcome to the My Day 17 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. This eating plan is designed to help you reset your relationship with food, energize your body, and embrace a sustainable way of healthy living. Each day, we'll provide you with a sample menu full of practical and nourishing ideas that fit into a healthy lifestyle. Remember, this plan is meant to be a guide and inspiration. Feel free to adjust it based on your preferences and dietary needs. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now, let's get started with today's menu. Day 17. Breakfast Peach Oatmeal. Begin your day with a comforting bowl of peach oatmeal. In a saucepan, combine half a cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the oats are tender. While the oats are cooking, transfer half a cup of frozen peaches to a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave on high for about 1 minute, or until the peaches are warmed through. Once the oatmeal is cooked, stir in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Spoon the oatmeal into a bowl, top with warmed peaches, and sprinkle with chopped walnuts. Add a dollop of low-fat Greek vanilla yogurt for extra protein and a touch of sweetness. Enjoy this delightful and nourishing breakfast that will keep you full and satisfied until lunchtime. Lunch, tuna spinach salad. For lunch, prepare a simple yet protein-packed tuna spinach salad. In a bowl, combine 1 can of tuna in water, drained. Gently mix in 1 to 2 cups of spinach. Add slices of cucumber and carrots, along with any other non-starchy vegetables you enjoy. For extra protein and fiber, add half a cup of beans. If you're using canned beans, make sure to rinse them thoroughly before adding. To create a light and flavorful dressing, whisk together 1 teaspoon of olive oil and vinegar. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to coat. This salad is not only nutritious, but also very versatile. Feel free to add or substitute ingredients based on your preferences and what you have available. The combination of tuna, spinach, and beans provides a great balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, making it a satisfying and nourishing meal. Snack: celery with peanut butter and raisins. As an afternoon snack, grab 5 stalks of celery and spread 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. For added sweetness and nutrition, sprinkle in 15 raisins. This snack offers a delightful combination of flavors and textures. The crunchy celery, creamy peanut butter, and chewy raisins complement each other perfectly. Not only does this snack taste delicious, but it also provides a good balance of nutrients. The peanut butter and raisins offer protein and natural sugars for energy, while the celery adds fiber and vitamins. It's a great way to curb your appetite and keep you feeling full until dinner. Dinner: lemon chicken tacos. For dinner, prepare some zesty lemon chicken tacos. Warm up a whole grain corn tortilla in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Grill or pan fry a piece of chicken breast about 4 ounces. While the chicken is cooking, marinate it in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, garlic, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, pepper, and salt. Slice the cooked chicken and place it on the warm tortilla. To add flavor and nutrients, sauté a combination of carrots, scallions, zucchini, and peppers with 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Top the chicken with the sautéed vegetables and serve your delicious lemon chicken tacos. These tacos are not only tasty, but also very versatile. Feel free to use different toppings and fillings based on your preferences. The lemon marinade adds a burst of freshness, while the sautéed vegetables bring a vibrant flavor and a variety of nutrients. It's a lighter take on tacos that's perfect for a satisfying and nourishing meal. And that's a wrap for Day 17 of the 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. We hope you enjoyed today's menu. Remember to stay active, drink plenty of water, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips, and join us tomorrow for another day of healthy eating. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.